Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM Quick Create for Speed, complete guide step by step clearly. To update Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM Quick Create for Speed, start by logging into your Dynamics 365 environment. Navigate to the settings area by selecting the gear icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Advanced Settings. In the new tab that opens, click on Customizations in the navigation pane. Select Customize the System to access the Solution Explorer. Locate and expand the Entities section in the Solution Explorer. Identify the entity for which you want to update the Quick Create form. Click on the entity name to open its details. In the entity's details, select Forms. Look for the Quick Create form associated with the entity. Open the Quick Create form to edit it. To enhance loading speed, remove any unnecessary fields from the form. Consider optimizing the layout by grouping related fields together. Use tabs or sections within the form to organize information efficiently. After making your changes, click on Save at the top of the form designer. Next, publish your customizations by clicking the Publish button. Once published, close the form designer to return to the Solution Explorer. Test the updated Quick Create form by navigating back to your main interface. Perform a test entry using the Quick Create feature to evaluate its performance. Adjust further if needed based on your observations during the test. By following these steps, you'll improve the speed and efficiency of the Quick Create feature in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.